Right now ain't the time, but the world need clean every single day. Homes, offices, Airbnbs getting paid. People too busy living their life. They'll gladly pay someone to make it shine right. No fancy degree, no million to start. Just discipline, hustle, and entrepreneur heart. One client a day could turn into 10. That little side hustle become business. Start with a mop, watch it grow. One small clean turn into a CEO. One house, 2 houses, whole team on the road. Now the whole city calling your phone. Start with a mop, build a plan. Turn that bucket into a business that expands. They see cleaning, I see control. Turn that side hustle to $1 million goal. Low cost engine, that's the play. Supplies in the trunk and you on the way. No warehouse full of boxes to stack. Just your name and your hustle intact. One real estate agent could change your life. One property manager overnight. Airbnbs flipping every week. Office contracts while the whole world sleep. Everybody chasing complicated schemes. Meanwhile, cleaners build $1 million teams. Every floor you polish, every room you restore. Could be the contract that opens a door. Start with a mop, watch it grow. One small clean turn into a CEO. One house, 2 houses, whole team on the road. Now the whole city calling your phone. Start with a mop, build a plan. Turn that bucket into a business that expands. They see cleaning, I see control. Turn that side hustle to $1 million goal. Every empire started small. One decision changed it all. You might start with just a dream, but one day your company cleaning the whole city scene. Start with a mop, watch it grow. One small clean turn into a CEO. Contract stacking, teams on the road. Now your whole business running on its own. Start with a mop, take control. Turn that hustle into a painful goal. From one clean job to a company name. Now the whole city know your brand. Remember this: every building that shines, every office that smells clean in the morning, somebody built a business behind that. Why not you? Start with a mop.